Hello everyone, I'm Bill at Vengeant Apparatus, and today I have a treat for you. Today I have our new 2021 Blizzard for Willow Street. This is a midship mini pumper, 1,500 gallons per minute on a 2021 Ford F550 chassis. And we're gonna do a little walk around right here. If you start at the front, I have a Dominator stick, a Mars light, and two 500 series lights. The Mars light and the Dominator only work when the vehicle is in drive, so we'll show it to you in a little bit. We also have M4s, which are red-white splits. The whites only go on when the vehicle is in drive. We also have a Liberty 2 light bar. Come around to the side, we have some 500 series Whelen lights, and if you zoom in close here, you can see the customer didn't want this light to follow the body line, so we actually 3D printed a bezel here to force the lights to shine straight out instead of pointing up like the body would make them point up. This vehicle was also complemented with a buck stop super single conversion. If you look here, we have our graphics done by Market Graphics in-house. We also have our little touch here we remove the badge and put our Vengeant name on. We try not to overdo our badging because we want the vehicle to shine, not the name. We have a Kuzma auto charge, auto eject marked there because that's where the customer wanted it to go, so they have to move their electrical line around. If you come around to the side here, you'll see a Hale DSD pump, 1,500 gallons per minute. We also have a little 50 in the top for the customer, and they also wanted cross-lay cover, so we have a DNS cross-lay cover hose bed tarp there for them. The vehicle has rub rails, and if you look, the rub rail actually comes out farther than the door handles, so the rub rails mean something. If you go to hit something, you're going to hit the rub rail and protect the doors. This vehicle has Hansen roll-up doors, and it also has all tool mounting, which was done in-house by our fabrication team. In here we also have the computer. We're programming the core system. We have sledgehammer, axes, bolt cutters, mounting for a chainsaw, and their fuel cans right there. We have stainless fenderettes, which we PPC black to match the black theme of the vehicle. The SS3 compartment, we have extinguishers, we have their floating dock, and shovels, which are all mounted in for them. You come around back to the truck, we have the hard sleeves. So we have two hard sleeves mounted behind the roll-up doors. We also have two hard sleeves on top as well. The customer wanted to have 4 hard sleeves. A little special touch we've done with this truck. In our future builds, we have these new steps which have our logo illuminated on them. This vehicle has a hose reel, but this customer wanted to have soft hose on, and they're actually going to roll in what they want to use, and then just when they have to use the hose, they'll just pull out what they need and then connect it to their trash line fill here. On this truck, we had to get a little creative. They wanted a lower hose bed to get more hose on, so their ladders are kind of split. Here we have their roof ladder, and then here is their extension ladder. So the ladders are still accessible and easy to get to, and they're lower instead of mounting them on top like other people have done before. Back here, we have a little compartment. This is dead area that goes back to the gas tank, so instead of leaving a dead area, we just fill it in, make a little compartment out of it for them. Come around to the curbside compartment. We have more tool mounting we did. Air cylinders down there, made a little false floor for them. They can put their air cylinders in there. They have a super vac fan and extinguishers and some lighting. Come over to this side, they have a battery bank here, high-rise pack, and the shelf mounted so they can have enough room, so it makes another floor for them to mount more stuff in. And you come over to this side, we have their marriage set and their shelving here, and we also another tool mounting for their air pack. And you come around front, we have more steps on the front side so they can access their hard sleeves that's on top and the other side of their hose tarp. All right, we're gonna go inside, and I'll see when we get inside. Here on the inside, we have a unique console we made for this customer. This customer only has 2 air pack seats, so we decided with the customer, because of how much they wanted mounted on the inside, we would take this console and run it the whole way back to the back of the crew cab. and we ran it up. So they have 4 cup holders, they have some radio mounts, they have flashlights, gas meters, still have their radio, they have their tablet mount, they also have their road and pump gear right here. And this console was made all in-house. If you look up here, you can kind of see the roll-up doors. It tells you which doors are open. I had the one closed, so that one shows that. So they have a visual of not only what door is open, that a door is open, but also what door is open, so they're not guessing if they have a call and it's showing a door is open. All right, we're gonna go out front and we're gonna end the video. Thank you for watching this video. Continue to watch our social media for more updates and more info about this truck. If you'd like to learn about this truck or have something close to this truck, contact myself or Darren, and we'll be glad to help you. Thank you, and have a great day.